新加坡、印度尼西亚，咖喱、肉骨茶，印尼九层塔，做 SPA 放烟花，蒸桑拿 ，Coco、Pineapple、Mango。沙巴、巴堤亚，阳光热辣辣，香巴、啤酒花，风景美如画。夜市下，海鲜价，用纸拿，嘟嘟嘟嘟，干嘛干嘛呀？咖喱咖喱，轻轻一夹，咖喱咖喱啦，咖喱咖喱，香蕉木瓜，榴莲臭臭配香茶。摩托皮卡加咖喱咖喱呀，咖喱咖喱也是酒吧，热情奔放火辣辣。咖喱咖喱。
Unreal Engine 4 to translate the IGES file of conic surface. This model defined a perfect something like an iPhone or whatever. The white line boundaries specified a conic surface. This boundary and this boundary are arc. This boundary and this boundary are straight line. The surface should cover to here, but actually there is a gap, very huge gap. The reason why? Because the IGES formats, all the rest surface are represented by NURBS surface. NURBS means non-uniform B-spline surface. Every surface is represented by NURBS surface. After the surface, there is a specification to define the boundary of the surface, what we call this boundary to trim the NURBS surface. While the gap happened in here, it should be accurate to connect boundary with boundary. The reason why? The NURBS surface is 3. The order is 3. The conic surface, the order is 2. The boundary presentation 1 to 6 is NURBS curve as well. But the boundary of this conic surface is geometry boundary. If we use NURBS equations to solve the problems, the actually definitions is geometry boundary. A geometry surface definitely cannot meet to get the accurate connections between the boundaries. That's the reason why the gap happened in here. Let's see what happened, how Unreal Engine to solve this problem. Use data Smith to adopt the model named VLT parts.IGES. OK, import. Look. The boundary connected each other tightly. The surface, this arc, this is straight lines perfectly. Because the Unreal Engine with the core CAD system, Panasonic systems inside. Panasonic systems knows the surface of conic surface is defined by geometry function, not like the rest surface is defined and represented by NURB surface. But they never said to other peoples, if you try to translate the IGES file and get a model and immediately use the model to do the CAN system, you will get trouble if you don't know the trick of Panasonic Surface, Panasonic package, which represents the conic surface use geometric equation, not conic NURBS equation. You will get a gap between surface. Then your project will be failed, definitely. Ending.
啤酒花，风景美如画，夜市下海鲜家用纸拉，嘟嘟嘟嘟，干嘛干嘛呀？咖喱咖喱，亲亲一家，咖喱咖喱啦，咖喱咖喱，香蕉木瓜，榴莲臭臭配香茶，咖喱咖喱，摩托皮卡加咖喱咖喱呀，咖喱咖喱，夜市酒吧，热情奔放火辣辣。咖喱咖喱。泰国、新加坡、印度尼西亚，咖喱、肉骨茶，印尼就藏它。做 SPA 放烟花，蒸桑拿 ，Coco、Pineapple、Mango Mango， 沙发、巴利亚，阳光热辣辣，香瓜、啤酒花，风景美如画。